Hello my dear students. In this video we are going to study about the concept of joint venture. Guys, we can easily observe the concept of joint venture from the terminology of joint venture itself. Joint means doing something together and venture means business. So that joint venture simply means doing business together. We can better understand the concept of joint venture from the following definition. A joint venture is a business arrangement in which two or more parties agree to pool their resources for the purpose of accomplishing a specific task. Guys, as I said, joint venture means doing business together. For doing business together, it requires at least two persons. In joint venture, two or more persons come together by contributing resources. Resources are like capital, goods, expertise, technology, like that, which are complementary for conducting business with the purpose of accomplishing a task. A task can be any projects like construction of roads, building, bridge, or manufacturing activity, or selling activity, or any other business activity. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅಥವಾ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಂದಿ ಸೇರಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ಹೂಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಹೀರೋ ಹೋಂಡಾ. Hero is an Indian company. Honda is a Japanese company. Hero knows Indian market very well but lacked in technological superiority, and Honda had technological superiority but lacked the knowledge of Indian market. Hence these two companies came together with complementary resources of knowledge of Indian market and technology which are complementary to each other. So they formed a joint venture called Hero Honda for manufacturing and sale of two-wheelers in India. Once they accomplished their objective of capturing Indian two-wheeler market, they went in different ways. Another example is Maruti Suzuki. Maruti is an Indian company. Suzuki is a Japanese company. These two companies form a joint venture called Maruti Suzuki. Next, the parties are persons or organizations who contribute resources, do business together, and share profit or loss from joint venture are called co-venturers, and we can also call them as owners. These co-venturers are responsible for running a joint venture. Next concept, what are the characteristics of joint venture? First one, number of persons. In order to form a joint venture, at least it requires two persons, and there is no maximum limit. Second characteristic, duration. Usually joint ventures are formed for a short duration because joint ventures are usually formed for undertaking projects like construction of roads, buildings, bridges, or like that. It requires very short duration for completion of projects, so that joint venture usually formed for a short duration. And in case of larger projects, joint ventures usually operate for a longer period also. Third one, purpose. The purpose of forming a joint venture is to accomplish a task and earn profit. Fourth characteristic, dissolution. Joint venture is going to be dissolved once the task is accomplished. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತದ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್, ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್. Personal relationship among co-venturers going to be cease to exist once the project is complete. Project complete ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ among co-venturers is going to be And next characteristic, share of profit or loss. The earnings or loss from joint venture should be shared among all the co-venturers at agreed ratio, or in the absence of any agreement, the profit or loss should be shared equally among all the co-venturers. Next characteristic, management and control. Generally, JV is managed by all co-venturers or one or two co-venturers on behalf of all venturers. Next characteristic, accounting period. Usually, joint venture does not have fixed time period like 1 year, half year, or quarterly as accounting period. For joint venture, accounting period starts from the beginning date of the project and ends on completion of project. Next characteristic, firm name. A joint venture can be formed with or without a firm name. A firm name is not compulsory for a joint venture. Last one, registration. A joint venture need not to be get registered legally. It can be formed without registration also. These are all the characteristics of joint venture. This is all about the concept of joint venture. Thank you.